In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a menu using templates in Canva. We'll begin on your main dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva. It shows your recent designs and a panel along the left side. From here, click Templates. This opens Canva's template library, which is the fastest way to jumpstart a design without starting from a blank page. At the top of the Templates page, use the search bar and type Menu. You'll instantly see a wide variety of professionally designed layouts, from cozy cafe styles to bold, modern restaurant designs. Take a moment to browse. If you have a certain vibe in mind, try refining by style, color, or orientation so what you see aligns with your brand and the format you need. It helps to think about practical details too, like whether you prefer a single page or multiple pages, and whether the layout leaves enough room for your item names and descriptions. When you find a design you like, click it to open a larger preview. Look through any alternate pages or color variations if they're provided, and make sure the structure fits your content. Sections for starters, mains, desserts, or drinks, for example. Once you're happy with your choice, click Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor and hands you full control. Inside the editor, you're free to modify anything. Double-click text to update item names, descriptions, and prices. Choose fonts that are easy to read and keep contrast high. Dark text on a light background is usually best for menus. Adjust sizes and spacing so nothing feels cramped. You can drag elements to reorder sections, copy a text box to maintain consistent styling, and use alignment guides to keep everything neat. Replace photos by dragging new images from the left panel onto placeholders, or remove them if you prefer a cleaner, text-forward look. Update colors to match your brand and apply them consistently across headings, accents, and backgrounds. If you need more space, add a second page or duplicate the current one to keep the same style throughout. Consider using simple lines or shapes as dividers to separate categories, and leave generous margins so the content breathes. It's also a good idea to standardize currency formatting and check that your pricing aligns neatly in a column for quick scanning. That's it. By going to your main dashboard, opening templates, searching for menu, selecting a design you love, and clicking Customize this template, you can quickly create a polished, on-brand menu that's clear, readable, and ready the moment you finish customizing.